Hey, what's going on? This is Chris Miller, and in this video, we're going to take a break from the regular video tutorials, and I have a little show and tell for you. So for the past 3 days, I've been working on rebuilding my portfolio site, or actually building it for the first time. It's something that I have put on the back burner for long enough, and decided to just put rubber to the road and make this happen. So I'm pretty excited about it. Spent a lot of time, pulled together a lot of great inspirations from CodePen and through awards, and lots of using a lot of great JavaScript libraries to bring these experiences together. Now, something you should know is that anytime you're building a portfolio or building any site, it's for a specific audience. And for me, my audience in particular are other agencies or direct businesses that look to advertise or market themselves online, and specifically when it comes to digital experiences on websites. So knowing that, we'll dive in, and I'll talk about some of the technologies underneath it and some of the strategy behind building some of this. So let's go ahead and refresh. So the first thing here is that I want to position to the individuals that I'm sharing this site with after meetings and in discussing potential opportunities with folks over email or phone. When I drive them here to the site, what I really want to let them know is that we care a lot about experiences, okay? And the first thing that you might notice is that if you hover, you get this little pencil icon. Very subtle. And the point here is that if someone sees that and they decide to click or drag, there's two things that happen, okay? So number one, you're getting some sort of little explosion and a color change. So we're driving home the point of interaction, and we're pulling the message and the meaning together. And then the same thing with drawing. So it's all about creating an experience. So you can create your own experience and make whatever you want here on the screen. Now, I'm not a great illustrator, so I'm not going to embarrass myself here, but it'll be unique for every visitor. Every visitor can make their own experience. And so if we go ahead and click through to view portfolio, you can see here that the page transitions out and in for a seamless experience. And I'll go ahead and scroll down the page. And we're also using a tilt effect similar to like an Apple TV on each portfolio piece here. It's got a little glare that happens. And yeah. Now, you'll also notice that if you click again, it'll change up to 3 different colors. I'm going to go ahead and put it back at the dark color here. And there's this ivory border going around the edge. For our material, I'm a really big fan of borders. And then so that's just a personal flair, personal flavor. Then, of course, we have the name of the project and a link out to the project there. Now, if we go ahead and click, we'll scroll back to the top and click on Learn More. And again, a page transition out and in to my story here. And if we come down, we can either see agency or email, click see agency, and then this will be the final screen before passing you off to the agency website, right? So this is my personal portfolio of all the work that I've worked on over the past 10 years with other teams, agencies, and contractors. It's really great. It's a body of work that I'm really, really proud of, and couldn't have done it without the help of so many other talented individuals on those projects. So talking about the tech stack here, what's being used is React, and more specifically next.js, for all the things next.js does for you, for all of us, and using Framer Motion for a lot of the animations and page transitions, especially for the home, sliding up there of and timing and delay of each of those pieces, and could have used standard CSS, but decided to use Framer Motion. I think it was a great excuse to use Framer Motion. I've been wanting to use that for a while now. And let's see, anime.js for that pop effect, the color change pop effect that you see there. And is there anything else? Oh, and for the view portfolio, the tilt is, I believe, React -tilt is the component name. And that is inspired from Vanilla Tilt, which is a JavaScript tilt library for achieving exactly that effect. Yeah, I think that was it. So yeah, that's the video today. Just wanted to do a little show and tell. I'm pretty proud of it. I'm glad to have finally got this up and out the door. It's been a pain, to be quite honest, but it's simple, gets right down to the point, and it serves its purpose. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below. And if you have any questions or recommendations, you can drop it in the comment section below as well. If you're on Twitter, come find me at MillerTChris and check out some of these other videos, maybe down below or wherever that's at.